Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor, the place where learning English becomes easy, simple, and confident. I'm your host, Hashmi.
Hello, Hashmi, and hello to all our amazing learners. I'm Roy, and we're so happy to have you with us today.
Roy, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. And you, Hashmi, you look very energetic today.
I really am. I'm excited because today's topic is very powerful and very useful for English learners.
Oh, yes, absolutely. This is one of the most common questions in English.
Before we start, friends, don't forget to subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor, like this video, and share it with anyone who is learning English.
Your support helps us reach more students around the world.
All right, Roy, are you ready to begin?
I'm ready. Let's start.
Topic Introduction. So, Roy, what is today's topic?
Today's topic is a very simple but very important question. Tell me about yourself.
Everyone hears this question.
Yes, at school, in interviews, in English classes, in new jobs, in meetings, and when meeting new people.
And many learners feel nervous when they hear this question.
Because they think, what should I say? Where should I start? How long should I speak?
So today, we will teach you how to answer this question clearly, confidently, and naturally.
Simple English, simple structure, simple confidence.
Introduction Practice. Roy, let's start with you. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn. Where should I begin?
Always start simple. First question. What is your name?
My name is Roy. R-O-Y.
Nice to meet you, Roy. My name is Hashmi.
Nice to meet you too, Hashmi.
Country and city. Next question. Where are you from?
I'm from England.
That's great. I'm from India.
Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a big city. It's busy and noisy, but I like the energy.
I live in a small town. It's quiet, peaceful, and calm.
So, students, you can say, I live in a big city, or I live in a small town. House or apartment? Roy, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's small, but it has a garden.
That's nice. I live in an apartment.
Is it big?
No, it's small, but it's comfortable and clean. Age. Next topic is age. Roy, how old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
And I'm 28 years old.
So learners can say, I am years old.
Job or study? Now a very important question. What do you do?
I'm an English tutor.
Of course, you teach here on Hashmi English Tutor.
Yes, I love teaching English and helping students grow.
I'm also an English tutor and content creator.
So learners can say, I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a worker. I am a shopkeeper. I am a driver. I am a business person.
Family. Now let's talk about family.
Hashmi, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He's younger than me.
I have one sister. Her name is Anna.
What do your parents do?
My mother is a teacher, and my father runs a small business.
My father works in an office and my mother is a homemaker. Pets. Let's talk about pets.
I have a dog.
What's his name?
His name is Rocky. He's very friendly.
I don't have a pet, but I love cats. Favorites. Now let's talk about favorite things.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is biryani.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is green.
My favorite animal is a dog.
My favorite animal is a cat. Hobbies. Roy, what are your hobbies?
I like listening to music, playing football, and watching movies.
I like reading, teaching, learning, and creating content. Dislikes. Now things we don't like.
I don't like mushrooms.
I don't like very spicy food.
I don't like waiting in long lines.
I don't like waking up early. Teaching point. So, learners, this is how you answer, "Tell me about yourself."
You don't need to say everything.
You choose what is important.
In class, name plus study. In job interview, name plus skill. In meeting, name plus work. In party, name plus hobby.
Sample short answers. Example 1. My name is Ali. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a student. I like cricket.
Example 2. My name is Sarah. I'm a teacher. I love reading and music.
Example 3. My name is Ahmed. I work in a shop. I like football.
Motivation. Tell me about yourself is not a scary question.
It's an invitation to speak.
An invitation to connect.
An invitation to grow. Ending. We hope this long lesson helped you. Practice speaking every day. Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor.
Like, share, and support the channel.
And write in the comments, "Tell me about yourself."
1 or 2 sentences are enough.
Thank you for learning with Hashmi.
Keep practicing English every day. Bye, everyone. See you soon.